The city of Oakland has been plagued by homicides and violence that have affected the lives of many residents throughout the years. Recently, acts of violence have spread beyond local gang members, and innocent bystanders have been caught in the deadly turmoil. For the past 75 years, Catholic Charities has responded to the impact that violence has had on the community with a number of social services, the promise of hope, and a prosperous future.
The fundamental basis for our work is Catholic social teaching, and that is human life and human dignity.
Victims of violence in Oakland have found a place of comfort and support at Catholic Charities. 19-year-old Javier was heavily into the Oakland gang lifestyle and was looking for a way out when he learned that he could receive the help he needed from Catholic Charities.
When I came in here, it was very peaceful. It was the opposite of where I was living or what I was doing. Hopefully I would learn something that would get me in track and to help people, especially in this community, because this community needs a lot of help, and hopefully part of the help will come from me.
He's now volunteering at the offices until he decides on what he'll do in the future. Supporting Javier in his lifestyle change is Ricardo Pena, a clinical case manager with the Catholic Charities Crisis Response Unit. They developed an instant connection.
He told me about his life, where he was hanging out, and since he knew that I was running the group, right away he felt like, okay, this is somebody who could relate to the community that I grew up in. And so I gave him a piece of myself, and I told him that I grew up in similar neighborhoods. It was easier for me to work with him and just provide that kind of that direction that he needed in his life.
I hope and I believe that I will do something better for me and my family.
The world stopped for Tonita Chapman when her father was murdered right outside of their family home. Catholic Charities met with Tonita and gave her support and therapy for her anxiety. Now she's picking up the pieces of her life and has begun culinary classes at Laney College.
I really appreciate Catholic Charity for being there, because I really gave up on life at a point in time, and by me having my therapist there, I was able to think about my future for the better of my life for my son. My futures look bright, and I'm looking for the better of my life.
Catholic Charities is doing what it can to respond to the impact that violence is having on the community.
To learn how you can support Catholic Charities, visit them at www.cceb.org.